Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm making a video about, well, the burning gear stuff. But this one is different. I did not add oil or any type of grease. I added super glue. That's right, super glue. Look how smooth that is, super glue. Yeah. I just squeezed some in there and then just moved it around. And let me tell you, I remember posting a video a long time ago. It's now deleted, which I really wish I didn't delete my videos. The reason why, I'm just gonna explain it. The reason why I deleted all my videos was because I thought that wasted space, but it was actually the apps that wasted my space. Which now I regret really much. I hope YouTube invents something that you can bring back your old videos. Like, oh, are you sure you want to delete this, or you wanna bring it back? That's what I want to do. But anyways, yeah, I put super glue in it, and back in the day, the video that I did post, I lit it on fire, and let me tell you, it made some sort of firework effect. Like it glowed, you know what I'm saying? But let's get a tour right there. And this is a type of, you hear that? Shake, shake, shake. Turn off the light, and 3, 2, 1. Oh shit. Whoa. Come on, focus. Dang. Dang, look at that. It's pretty cool. Whoa, yo, what's going on? Yo. Oh my god. Yo. It just took one lit, and it's now like this. This never happened. What? Whoa. That's crazy. Oh my god. That is beautiful. Oh my god, that was crazy. Okay, now let's look at the aftermath. Now with the gears now, it's basically, if I can line it up. No, I can't. So that's the app.